Hey, this is Bowie with Second Income Solutions, your solution to second income. How does affiliate marketing work? Well, if you're asking yourself this question right now, you're actually at the start of an exciting and profitable journey that, if you dare to take it, and I hope you will change your life and how you think about making money. First, here's how the term is defined. Affiliate marketing is a way for someone to get paid for successfully promoting a product or service for someone else. With this method, a new internet marketer can make money online without having to worry about making products or designing websites or taking care of customers. The marketer gets paid when a certain thing happens, like a submission or a purchase. Affiliate marketing is a type of internet marketing that you basically sell other people products over the internet and get a cut of the sale price in return. It's that easy. So how does affiliate marketing work? And here are the main steps of the affiliate marketing process. You have to decide what you want to sell. You can join a number of affiliate programs online, like Junction, Linkshare, ShareASale, and ClickBank. They're all full merchants looking for affiliates to promote their products in exchange for a commission. There are a lot more affiliate programs on the internet than the four I've listed here. You become an affiliate when you join the network. The merchant will give you a unique affiliate ID and a special link to advertise that product online. The merchant will give you a link to their website that includes a unique affiliate ID. This way, when someone clicks on your link and buys the product, the merchant knows that you were the one who sent them there, and they can pay you the commission. With your affiliate links, you tell people about the products. The most important part of affiliate marketing is getting the word out about the product you've chosen. How you promote and how well you do it will determine how well you do. There are so many ways to promote products online. Writing articles, making your own website, making a blog, pay-per-click marketing, build a list of subscribers and then market to them. That we won't go into here. But I can tell you that every affiliate marketer will have to learn how to do effective promotions. This is the most important part of affiliate marketing and must be done right for success. When someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and buys the product, you get paid a commission. There are different ways to pay commissions. Once your commission reaches a certain level, most merchants will either send a check or pay you through PayPal and or other programs. And getting these payments is so exciting. I hope I've answered your questions about how affiliate marketing works and have given you a better idea of what it is. Affiliate marketing can be a big step to take, but it can also be a very profitable one. There's a lot to learn about affiliate marketing, but if you choose a way that works for you, it can be a lot of fun. If you would like to know more about affiliate marketing, there is a 100% free training. Just click the link in the description. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel for more Second Income Solutions. And Second Income Solutions, your solution to second income.